Hello everyone, this is Sarita and you are watching Sarita's English Corner. I hope you all are doing well and I'm also feeling fantastic and this is the day 13 of my 30 days English learning challenges. So I'm here to practice with you. Nowadays I'm not feeling good but I try to improve my English each and every day. So these days I have started reading book. I know many of you don't like reading books, but if I talk about my experiences, so this is the best way to improve your pronunciation and fluency because you may not get much time to speak with other people. So when you read the book, you can clear your expressions, tones, rhythms, and then pronunciation. If I talk about my experiences, so it's been 1 week and I can see changes in my flow. Now I can speak better than earlier. Earlier, what happened? Sometimes I misspoke words which I knew properly because of that I was feeling little reluctant, but I feel in these days I can speak with fluency better than earlier and I can see my improvement and I am improving. Like, as I always mention that I am working on my accuracy, so I can see I stopped few mistakes which I usually used to make, and then now I try to immerse myself in reading. Though I don't have much time, but at least 20 minutes I try to read, and in 20 minutes I try to repeat one sentence twice, thrice, so that I can I can feed those structures in my mind. Reading helps you a lot, but there are many people they don't like reading. So I am not telling you that you all have to read. You have to see what is helping to you. Some people go with only listening, but I feel listening and writing both are very important, and speaking is the most important thing because we want to speak it. I feel speaking is on top of, because we want to speak. Once I met with one woman, she was senior with me, and she used to say that she faced lots of challenges while speaking. So I asked about her, routine. Then she said that she is not consistent. After that, I tried to explain her the condition which we need to follow if we want to become fluent. I said, ma'am, if you don't have time, still you have to make some time for your personal growth. Otherwise, you cannot learn it. It needs consistency, focus, and determination. If you have these three things, definitely you will become fluent. Then she said, I face challenges while transforming sentences. Though she was beginner, so I suggested her, uh, when you feel like a difficulty, then you say that sentence in Hindi and take few minutes, then transform that sentences, because initially at the beginning time we have to speak with grammar. Like we have to transform sentences, we have to translate that sentence with the help of grammar, because we are Hindi native people, so we have to go with grammar. And then after, gradually you can start thinking and speaking, reading. There are four pillars like writing, but I also don't write. But yeah, writing is, if you want to become something, then writing is also very important. In this way you can improve your handwriting, then your writing skills, then your words. So this was my thought which I shared to you, and I hope you will like this video. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected with my upcoming videos. Bye bye.